Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, introduce my name is Arindra Salwa. I'm here will make a video tutorial on how to use a microwave. So stay tuned. First of all, let me explain a bit about microwaves. There are instructions on what food can be warm and the duration needed to be warm food. Next step, you must provide the food to be warm, then prepare a microwave safe container. Here, there are several duration options that we will choose when we want to warm up the food. Among them, there is a duration of 10 seconds, 1 minute, and 10 minutes. Don't worry guys, if you want to warm up the food for 30 seconds or 2 minutes, you can press the button twice according to the button. Let me give you an example. If you want a duration of 20 seconds, you should press this option button 2 times. The next button is the button to stop the microwave. If you want to change the duration, you have to press the stop or reset button. Since I'm experimenting, it's time to warming the food. Here, I'm preparing fried chicken that I will warm up. The duration I need to warm up this food is about 2 minutes, so I will press the 1 minute button twice. If the duration has been set, put the food in the microwave. Then close the microwave and press the start button. Then wait for it to finish. When all done, take out the food, and it's ready to eat. Okay guys, that's all the video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.